to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And I got a big box. Big box. I think this box came from a honeybee. Because I'm not expecting any big boxes. So, y'all already know when I get a box, I get happy. Especially when it comes from a honeybee. So I get to use the time. Woo. This box is heavy. Heavy. I have no idea. What she sent me. If I'm correct, this box, like I'm so nervous, I'm shaking. This box came from a honeybee. Her name is Mama Kathy. I will leave her name everywhere. Well, I did not expect anything this big and this heavy, so let's do this. Wow. Whoo, this is awesome. Awesome. I gotta sit down. I gotta take a break. I'm overly clipped, and I'll show y'all what's inside. Just give me a minute to get myself together. Whoa. I am too old to be shocked. Oh, Mama Kathy, you are just too many things. Me and Mama Kathy, I'll tell you a little brief history. I started my YouTube channel, no social media, no followers. I had 25 people, and no Facebook, no Instagram, no Twitter, and she was one of my 25 subscribers. We met each other on YouTube. She is my YouTube friend. That's what I call her. She is wonderful. She really is. I've been on YouTube for 2 years. She's been on YouTube, I would say, probably a little bit more than 2 years. I call her family a YouTube family because they love to film. Her son, Dochi World, I'll put his up here somewhere. He's hilarious. He has a lot of subscribers. She has over 5,000 subscribers, and I got 500. But all of our channels are different. He's into pranks and stuff like that, and she's into cooking, telling her stories, and her reactions to things. She's hilarious. Y'all got to check her out. With me, I just unbox stuff. And this in this box is all YouTube stuff. I know it just by looking at it. This is, I think, a black screen. This is a white screen. This is a green screen. Oh my. I think this is the umbrella light. Whoa, this is another umbrella. This is a whole set. Oh my. Girl, you got me crying. My goodness. There's a bag. Oh, I don't know what the bag is. Oh, wow. Look, I had to lay it out because it is so much. There at the top is the black screen. There's the green screen, the white screen. There's the 3 umbrellas. I'm pretty sure 2 is for the front and 1 is for the back. I don't know, but they're umbrella lights. There it goes there. In these 3 boxes right here is light bulbs. I don't want to take them out because I don't want to break them. You'll see them later. These 2 boxes is the sockets to put the lights together. Socket that you have to put it together. on a pole. And the pole goes here. You're able to adjust this. There's the switch. And here's the plug. A long pole. And 2 boxes. These 2 long boxes is exactly what's in here. And I'm pretty sure these are the light poles. There's a bag. And it's a big bag. Big long bag. To carry your equipment. And we're going to check further in. And this one is for your screens. To put your poles in and to carry your screens. Like a carrier bag. But look how this opens. It's a Velcro, which is cool on both ends. And then you roll this out. And these are where the poles are. And these are the poles, the screens. There's the clamps right there. Okay, peoples, I think I got everything together. What I'm going to do is start working on the lights, and then we'll see how this works out. 45 watt, 140. So this is what's going in. And let's see if there's the pictures right there. And some numbers. And then these are the only written that you have. So it's supposed to look easy. Let's get to it. This is a work view. It's touching my ceiling, and I still have room if I want it taller.